welcome back to our channel WebToTech. If you have forgotten your password and need to regain access to your account, you are in the right place. Today we will guide you through the steps to recover your password in Facebook Lite. First thing first, open your Facebook Lite app on your device. Once it's open, make sure you are on the login screen. On the login screen, you should see an option that says Forget Password. This is what we'll use to initiate the password recovery process. Go ahead and tap on that. Facebook Lite will prompt you to enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. Type in the information and make sure it's accurate. This is crucial for Facebook to identify your account. After entering your email or phone number, tap on Find Account. Then again tap on Forgot Password. Facebook Lite will ask you how you want to recover your password. You might have options like receiving a code via email or SMS. Choose the method that is most convenient for you. Here I am choosing via SMS. Then tap on Continue. Once you have selected your recovery method, Facebook will send you verification code. Check your SMS, retrieve the code and enter it in the space provided on the app. This is to confirm that you are the account owner. After that, tap Continue. After successfully verifying the code, Facebook Lite will prompt you to create a new password. Choose a strong and secure password that you haven't used before. This ensures the security of your account. After you are done, tap Continue. Wait for it to load. Here you have it. You have successfully recovered your password. So this is it for the video. I hope this video was helpful. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.